back to my channel. Today I'm here with a makeup tutorial. Of course everybody loves pink, don't they? I'm wearing a shirt with some dogs with a crown on top, so I mean it's all good. In the hood, this is the look. I hope you guys are interested to get a little pink too. That was all of my makeup. Let's get into the video. So this is how I carry my makeup these days, in Ziploc bags for airports. Let me know if you would like to see how I carry them, what I carry in it. But when I start my makeup, I started off with the dewy face primer from Wet n Wild. Can you see that glow? Wow, you can even put it on your naked skin and it looks really nice and glowy. Then I use my Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. I am in the color 128 Warm Nude. One of you really wanted to know, but I failed to reply, so here's my reply to you. Warm Nude for my skin tone. I use this Kryolan Supra Color yellow colored concealer to brighten up my under eyes from God knows how long. I don't know how I still have it, but it's going. Then I use this mousse foundation, which if you saw my little German package exchange video, I got it from there. This is from Essence. Super interesting, and whenever I use it, just brings back memories of that wonderful video. I use that to contour a little. Then I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, which the shade I'm not sure, but it just says 120 at the bottom. So I hope it helps, because I don't know how I'm gonna buy this again. I don't know the shade, but I apply it in all these highlighting sort of areas to brighten up these parts of my face. Then of course I use my Rimmel London powder. It's so light and I've not been able to find a replacement for this, but it's a very nice kind of sort of affordable powder and I would highly recommend you use it. I use that, and then I use my Hoola bronzer to contour further. It's been a while that I contoured, so this was quite different. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette that I got in my German package exchange again. Nude matte colors to kind of brighten up and use it as a base on my eyelid to mattify the lid. And now let the pinks begin. I first used this magenta sort of pink color from this palette, which is actually, well, not that pigmented, so I kind of used it on the outer corners and the inner corners to make them a bit dark pink. To have somewhat of a base color for the pop of color I'm going to use later, I also blended it towards the inner corner of my eye. But to use on the actual inner corner, I use this shimmery light nude pink color, and I'm using the same brush, so whatever pink comes, that's from the residual color, which I think is very beautiful, gives it a very unique touch of being lazy. Then out of my Miss Claire palette, I use this popping hot pink color as the pop of colors in the middle of my eyelid, and use this on the lower lid, which brings out the bright pink colors in this. Now I'm using this NYX palette and using the nude color from it to sort of blend away the pink that got near my eyebrow and just sort of soften the harsh edges. And voila, my winged eyeliner is magically done off camera because it's just very awkward to film it on camera. Then I'm using the YBPX Shreya Jain collaboration color cream in Princess as a blush. I love it. Then used my Wet n Wild highlighter. As you can see, I'm already sweating too much, so I did not even have to use the highlighter because my skin was already glistening from the sweat. I am curling my lashes and I'm gonna apply a ton load, that's not even a word, but lots of mascara because I actually had to try out fake eyelashes after this. You can watch the video from the card above. I've used a combination of two mascaras, which is just amazing. Then I use the Kylie lip liner in Rosy, but as you can see, the color is not really same as the eyeshadow, so I wanted to make sure that the tones are somewhat similar. So I used all the eyeshadows on my lips and then just cleared off the edges with some powder. I used this metal lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics in the middle to just have a little sheen, and that's it. The tutorial is done. I think it's always good to have a little bit of pink in our lives, and yeah, Pink power. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye till then.